Hi guys, this is Megha Verma. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how to design this business card for photographer in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the size of our business card. First we will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a rectangle. Now we will set the size of the rectangle 3.5 by 2. Now we will set the align of the rectangle. Now we will fill black color in this rectangle and we will remove the outline by right click. Now we will select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a circle. Now we'll set the equal size of the circle. Now we will place this circle on the rectangle. I will change the color so it will be visible. Now we will adjust the size. Now we'll select the interactive fill tool from the toolbar and we will apply like this. Now we will set the colors. We will select the color with the color eyedropper tool. Now we will add color by double click on the line. Like this we will add more colors. Now we will adjust the colors. Now we'll click on smooth. Now we'll remove the outline by right click. Now we will drag inside with the shift key. Then we will right click to make a copy. Now we'll fill black color in this circle. Now we will select the text tool from the toolbar and we will write the studio name. Now we'll go to the edit menu and we will select copy properties from. Now we'll tick on fill, then OK. Now we will click on the colorful circle from where we want to copy the properties. Now we will decrease the size. And we will give a underline to this text. Now again we will select the text tool. Now again we will go to the edit menu and we will copy properties from. Now place this text here. Now we'll select the text and the rectangle and we will press C to align center. Now we will import one lens image. Now we will adjust the size of the image. Now we will place this image like this. So this is the front side of our business card. Now we will create the back side of the card. For that we will make a copy of this rectangle by drag and right click. Now we'll select the 2-point line tool from the toolbar and we will draw a straight line. Now we will give a color to this line by right click. Now we will make a copy of this line by drag and right click. Now we'll select both and we will right click, then group. Now we'll select the rectangle and the lines. Now we will set the align horizontally and vertically. Now we will make a copy of this circle. Now we will drag inside with the shift key. Then right click to make a copy. Now we will fill black color in this circle. Now we will make a copy of the line. We will drag inside, then right click. Now again we will select this circle and we will make one more copy. We will drag inside with the shift key, then right click. Now we will increase the size of black circle. Now we will select this text and we will make a copy by drag and right click. Now we will fill white color in this text. Now we will decrease the size and we will place here. Now we will right click and group. Now we will select the circle and the text and we will set align. Now we will adjust the size of the text. Now we will ungroup the text and we will select, then we will give a bold look to the text. We will select this text also and we will give a bold look. Now again we will select the text tool. Now we will write the name of the person or a photographer. Now we will go to the edit menu and copy properties from. Now again we will copy the properties from the circle. Now we will adjust the size. Now we will zoom and we will active the interactive fill tool. Now we will delete one color, dark blue. And we will give an underline. Now again we will select the text tool. Now we will write the profession. And we will give a white color and the bold look. We will select both and we will press C to align center. Now again we will make a copy of this circle and we will decrease the size. Now I'll place here. Now we will drag inside with the shift key, then we will right click to make a copy. Now I'll fill white color in this circle. Now we'll select both and we will right click, then group. Now I'll make a copy by drag and right click. Now we will adjust the size. Now I'll make a copy. We will make 2 copies. Now we'll select all these circles and we will align center by pressing C. Now we have these icons and the details. Now we'll place this. we will increase the size of the icon. Now we'll go to the edit menu and we will copy properties from. Now we will copy the properties from the circle. Now we will press this icon one by one in all the circles. Now we will place the details, contact number, email address, website address and the location. Now we'll give a same size to all the text. Now we'll select one by one like this and we will align center vertically. Now we'll select all the details and we will align from the right. I will select all and we will drag. Now we will place this barcode. So guys, our business card design for photographer is ready. I hope you like the design. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can ask me on the comment box. Please like, share and comments. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.